Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt frustrated with your TradingView chart resetting its position every single time you switch between time frames, this tutorial is for you. Today I'm going to show you an easy but powerful tip that will let you lock your chart's position, even when you jump around different time frames. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your zoom and pan settings just the way you like them, saving yourself a lot of time and hassle during analysis. Let's jump right in. First thing you want to do is head over to your chart in TradingView. Now with your chart open, simply right-click anywhere on the chart area. It doesn't really matter which part of the chart you click as long as it's within the chart window. This right-click will open up a context menu with several options. From here, go ahead and select Settings. This will pop up a more detailed menu where you can customize tons of things about your chart's appearance and behavior. Now, once you're in the settings window, look over to the left-hand side panel and you'll see a list of sections you can tweak. For today, we're interested in the option labeled Scales. Go ahead and click on that. Within the Scales section, scroll down a little bit until you find a checkbox labeled Save Chart Left Edge Position when Change Interval. This is the key setting we'll be using today. All you need to do is check this box. When you do, you're telling TradingView to remember exactly where you've scrolled the chart, even when you switch to another time frame. So for example, if you're zoomed in and scrolled to a particular spot on the chart to analyze a recent price action, and you want to jump from the 1-hour chart to the 15-minute or maybe up to the daily, normally TradingView would snap you back to the latest price. It can be super jarring, right? Especially if you're doing in-depth analysis or want to compare the same section of the chart across multiple time frames. But with this setting enabled, TradingView respects your preferences. If you're focused on, let's say, a price move that happened a couple days ago, and you're toggling between timeframes to check for patterns or identify key support and resistance, instead of having to constantly re-scroll and rezoom to find your place, your chart stays put. It's like putting a sticky note on the point you're studying and telling TradingView, don't move this spot no matter what timeframe I choose. And just to clarify, the left edge in this setting refers to where your visible chart begins, the far left margin of your screen. So instead of always being yanked over to the most recent candle, your custom view remains intact. This is a real game changer if you're backtesting strategies, reviewing historical data, or simply want your workflow to stay smooth and uninterrupted. If you're worried this might mess with your usual habits, don't be, just try it out. If at any point you want to revert the behavior, just hop back into settings and uncheck the box. It's fully reversible. Alright, once you've ticked that checkbox, just close out of the settings window. That's it, you're all set. Next time you switch between time frames, TradingView will keep your chart right where you left it. I hope you found this tip helpful, especially if you spend a lot of time switching views while trading or backtesting. If you have any questions, or there's another TradingView trick you'd like to master, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Don't forget to give this video a like if it helped you out, and make sure to subscribe for more handy TradingView tutorials and trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.